Taking a pet's temperature can be stressful for both pets and their owners, and accuracy and speed are critical, especially in emergencies. The Dr. Trust non-contact pet thermometer comes in handy. No touch, no stress, just fast, accurate results. And it's pretty simple to use too. Step 1, press the power measurement button once to turn the device on. Step 2, hold the device 1 to 2 centimeters from your pet's anus or ear. Make sure that the area is hair-free for accurate reading. Step 3, press the measurement button again to take temperature. Wait for the beep and view results instantly. Step 5, it shows a color-coded alert, so you can take the right step to care for your pet. Step 6, hold the setting button to toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Step 7, wipe the sensor with a soft cloth. Vet safe, fast, zero contact. For pet parents who care, this is a game changer. The Dr. Trust Pet Thermometer.